So let me get this up close and you can take a look. All right, there's many ways to make clouds. I'm going to demonstrate how to make clouds using a spray bottle. Adjust the tip so that droplets come out. You don't want a spurt of straight water coming out, and you don't want mist. You want droplets. I've got ultramarine blue up here. That'll be the blue sky. I've got ultramarine blue and burnt sienna. That will be the gray. I'll show you how to mix that. So here we go. Putting in the sky in the upper right-hand corner here. We'll walk the sky off the page, the blue, and we'll walk this down a little. Okay, keep Viva paper on handy for blotting. All right, we got a start of a sky there. Now we're going to mix a little gray down here. Burnt sienna, ultramarine blue. This is going to be the bottom of the cloud. And we'll make it kind of dark down here at the bottom. And we'll walk the cloud up. And we'll blot a little bit up here. And a little dark. We'll run the cloud out like so. Okay, going to pick up the board here. Let the water do the work. Now where I blotted, you've got dry paper. And as you'll see, the paint, the watercolor paint, goes around the dry area to make clouds. All right, now we got to marry up. I got to clean my brush here. Got to work the sky into the cloud. I'm just lightly blotting. Got to keep this in the camera here. Okay. All right, we're getting some clouds. Let's bring the sky. Bring the blue sky down. Now I'm working on 140-pound cold press watercolor paper. And it's buckling a little bit, but that's what you gotta expect. Pick these up. Okay, we got clouds up here. Spray that just a little bit. I'm just using little squirts. I'm not pushing down real hard. Okay. And we'll make these clouds like so. And let's see what we can do here. we're getting a good couple clouds up here. And let's run this off the paper here. Okay, you got your clouds here. And we don't want the clouds totally white. So we just drop in a little bit. And we spray. All right. We'll let this dry. Let's jazz it up just a little bit. Put a little darker blue in here and there. And let it work. Okay, I think we've just about got it, except for over here. Just a little bit more. And there's the bottom of the cloud. Okay, we'll let this dry and I'll show you the finished product. All right, here's the finished product. It is not bone dry, but it's dry, a little bit damp up here. But remember when I put the blue in real dark here, see how it's diffused? This to me is a soothing sky. It's not glaring, the blue isn't too blue, the cloud here, the rain cloud isn't too dark. So let me get this up close and you can take a look. This is a good look right in here. The white cloud has a little bit of gray in it. You wouldn't want this totally white because it would scream at you. So let me show you. Here's a good look. And here the rain cloud is diffusing off to the right. And I could proceed with this and make a pretty meadow down here, put a barn or make this water down here. But the object of this was just to show you how to use the trusty spray bottle. I love this spray bottle. I do leaves with this. I do skies, clouds. You can do lots of stuff with this spray bottle. So hope you enjoyed this. Take a look at it and have a wonderful day.